Shopping with Countdown online is easy. Just visit shop.countdown.co.nz on your mobile, tablet or computer. Sign in with your Countdown online shopping account, or if you don't have one, just click on Register and follow the easy sign-up steps. Don't forget to add your Onecard so you can get club prices and keep earning rewards on your online shopping. If you don't have a Onecard, you can pick one up in store and add it to your account later. Adding your Onecard also shows you all the things you usually buy in store so you can shop faster. This list is called My Favourites, and you can use it to quickly add your favourite products to your online trolley. Once you've signed up or signed in, you can book your delivery or pickup time. For delivery, just choose your preferred time slot and where you want it delivered. It could be your home, work, or someplace else. You can book a slot up to 7 days in advance. The same goes for pickup. Just choose your store and book a slot. Now it's time to start shopping. There are heaps of easy ways to shop online. You could start with the My Favourites list. Search for specific items or browse by category. You can also take a look at the online mailer. Here, you'll see all our specials and great prices, and can add the things you want straight to your trolley. When you find the items you need, click the Add to Trolley button. You can also choose how many of each item you'd like. While you're shopping, you can also leave notes for our personal shoppers so they can pick the way you would. Only like greenish bananas? Or want a particular alternative if what you've chosen is out of stock? Let them know, and they'll do their best to find what you want. Countdown also has a fresh or free policy. So, if you're unhappy with anything you buy from us, let us know and we'll sort out a refund. You can take a look at what's in your trolley at any time and add or remove items easily. Finished shopping? Just click on the Checkout button. When you head to checkout, you'll see some other products that you may want to add to your trolley. These are things you usually buy at Countdown or products we think you may like. At checkout, you can review your order, check your delivery details, swap between delivery or pickup, and update your contact details. You'll also see an Allow Substitutes option. If you choose this, our team will supply a similar alternative product if what you had chosen was unavailable. If you have special instructions about your order, just leave a note for our personal shopper or delivery driver in the special shopper instructions. And then it's time to pay. You can securely use debit cards, credit cards, or Onecard e-vouchers. Once your order's all done, we'll send you a confirmation email. If you're getting your groceries delivered, we'll send you a text message to let you know that your delivery is on its way. If you're not in when we deliver, we'll send another message to let you know we've been. If you're picking up your order, we'll send you a text to let you know it's ready. Let us know when you're on your way and then again when you get to the store, so we can bring your order out from our chillers and have it ready and waiting for you. After you've picked up or had your groceries delivered, we'll email your invoice. Hopefully there are no issues with your order, but if there are, most refunds can be sorted via our chatbot Olive. You'll find her on every page of our website. Thanks for shopping online at Countdown. We're looking forward to taking care of your order.